Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today me and Koro are going to a flower or plant market and we want to buy some plants to put in our room, the room that we just painted white to make it more beautiful. So later if we decide to record some videos, that area will be beautiful. So let's go, I will show you. Koro said that market is called
Flower, bird, fish, insect market.
Yeah, it has quite a name in Chinese. So let's go, I will show you. I'm driving, so Koro will take some videos. Okay, we arrived. This is the place. Here you can find almost everything, flowers, birds, insects. We can also buy this kind of flowers, probably. Maybe they will be cheaper. Can buy this kind of flowers. 是不是? Or you can buy these kinds of insects and crops, little crops. Turtles. Oh, so many turtles. And some turtles they painted. I don't like that. You see a lot of fish, small fish, big fish to keep at home. Can also buy some tangerine tree, lemon tree, roses. This tree is 1,080 RMB with a discount. I don't know for what, and I don't even know if you can eat this fruits or whatever it is. Here you can also buy a lot of different kinds of flower pots. Interesting. Yeah, and the tangerine tree. Did you see that face? And there's Mimi! Mimi! See them, Mimi? See them? He thinks I'm giving food. Oh, scratched me. Nails are quite... So we want to buy a big plant to put in our room, right? There are a lot of big plants, but they are more like trees, not very suitable to put in our little room. Yeah, and a lot of birds. Once we went to another flower store, it was a little bit better. Let's see here. Oh, here they have of it. Oh, this is like like for example, this one not bad, but if it's smaller than this, it would be nicer.
Which one? This.
这个是吧? A little bit smaller than this would be better.
直接栽进去就行了，可以吧？
You think it's beautiful? 可以吗? Okay, we bought our flower. Which one? Oh, yeah, I know this flower. Yeah, it will close. I'm trying not to... Oh, you see the birds. I'm trying not to think that we could maybe buy from here or from another store we already bought. I want to see if there is like a smaller flower. Oh, there's a cactus. I want to see that cactus. A lot of fish and noisy birds. You see this one, babe?
What's so big?
Has pins. Flower stores continue. There are some cactuses. Let's go to see. I want to buy a cactus, but seems like here they don't have big ones. We saw one big one, but it was quite expensive. Here it seems like they have. We had one at home, but it got dried. And there's another store. They have a lot of aquariums with fish. I don't know if they have amphibians, but I don't think so. I can only see fish. And I don't know if these things are alive. They're moving. You see? You see the other one? The plant we bought. Bobby? Let's see how are we gonna put Bobby. Maybe we put here is will be better. Oh, Baba. Yeah, just like that. Why you put behind me? Huh?
There's more space behind the seat.
You see. Okay, let's go back home, I guess. All right, so this is the room that we painted. It was pink before, now it's white. We didn't even bother to remove the pink first. We just went white all over it. I know it's not perfect, but it's not bad, right? Say? And later we're probably gonna film some videos here, and the plant we will put somewhere here, so it will be very nice, cozy, I don't know. Okay, so right now we're gonna just let it dry everywhere, and I will open the windows so there's no smell. Then we will start putting all the furniture here. It is our dinner time, and today Koro is going to cook dinner. Whenever we're home together, he is cooking the dinner. He likes to cook different kinds of... Why are you laughing? You don't like to cook? No, you don't like to cook?
I like.
Different kinds of Chinese dishes. So today we're gonna have pork, right? And I will share the recipe with you guys. Okay, we need some green onion. What's this, babe? What vegetable is this?
It's a spring vegetable.
What's the name of it? You translate for me so I can let them know. So this vegetable's name, translated from Chinese, I just translated in Google. It's called shepherd's purse. I hear about this vegetable for the first time. I don't know if you know about it. Are we gonna eat this the first time?
Yeah, I really like this. It's very tasty.
Okay, I haven't tried this one. Okay, so you need here some pork. It's actually very thin layers. They are selling in Chinese supermarkets. If I open, you can see.
It's beef.
It's beef. And they are. I told them pork before. Okay, I'm sorry. This is beef, so we're gonna eat beef. So these are like some layered beef. They are selling usually for hot pot, right? And we have rice here already cooked. We have kimchi, Korean cabbage. We have here goji cha paste or sauce. I don't know, how do you say that? We have some mixed veggies, carrots, beans, and corn, mushroom. And we have a wok. Okay. Add some oil and that shepherd's purse vegetable.
Soy sauce.
Some light soy sauce. About 1 teaspoon. 1 pinch of salt. Finished? Okay, this one is done. Okay, next we have here the beef, frying in some oil. About 1 tablespoon. Okay, now. This is the cooking wine. It doesn't have English, unfortunately, but yeah, it's written Hangshun vinegar. Ah, no, that's the company name. Move to the other plate. Why? This one is burning. We're gonna need 2. 1 wok, 1 pan. You heat the rice or you want to make fried rice?
Alright.
Okay, you're gonna need cooked rice to make some fried rice. Okay, in the wok, we're gonna be adding some kimchi, Korean cabbage. Quite a lot. That's about 100 grams. 100 grams? Almost. Jicha paste. 1 teaspoon. About 3-4 tablespoon water. Bobby. Moving the rice to another bowl. This one, Koro, is cooking already 3-4 minutes. Here we're gonna be frying those mixed veggies. This one for the rice. Just quick. Then adding the rice inside. Some green onion. After about 5 minutes, you can add the beef back inside and mix with kimchi. Can add probably like 2-3 tablespoons water. One tablespoon soy sauce. Designing with some green onion. I can take?
Yes.
Okay, I take one by one because my one hand is my phone. Okay, we are going to see. We're going to set table. Usually we like to put on this little table because we like to eat and watch some movies, although it's very low and it's not very convenient to eat around this table, but you know, it's very nice to eat and watch movies, and sometimes we eat some fruits because during the other time of the day we're busy, so we're not really eating fruits together. So we might eat in the evening, not too much, but yeah, a little bit. Later day. Bon appetit to us. And yeah, right now we're watching new TV series. Actually, we're already watching the second season of 911. So yeah, we're gonna watch 911 and eat our dinner.
I should cut smaller. Use bit.
Try.
Some old Chinese grandma, they grow this in the community. They plant this.
Also, it's very tasty. You can try to cook at home. Someone 煮自己的，然后吃 Lucky 的，然后现在过来吃我们。I don't know, tastes like what? I wouldn't say it has like a special different taste. A little bit harder than spinach.
That's what I said. I should make. I should cut it smaller.
It's
They
not bad.
always make this within the dough. When you want to make dumplings, right? They always make it inside. You remember? Exactly have eaten this.
Inside the dumpling.
Mixed, yeah, wonton actually. Especially Chinese wonton.
Okay, really.
They have a very special flavor, taste.
Okay guys, we're gonna eat our dinner and enjoy our movie, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!